These are the 3 bows I've made out of hickory boards from Menards. First one is a 50-pound at 28-inch recurve with a cool diamondback pattern on it. That is my favorite. That's the first one I made. This one is just a long bow or whatever. A little thicker. Shoots 50 pounds at 28. That one's my second favorite. This one I just finished. It's very thin and it's 2 inches longer than these two. And it's only a 40-pound draw. All shoot great. All are super fun. Very cool process making them. And I plan to make more. I'm gonna go through and shoot one arrow out of each for you. First up, the 50-pound recurve. Bam. Second up, the paddle bow. The 40-pound fin bow. Recurve shot, paddle bow shot, thin one.